Hello students, welcome to BBPS e-learning class, and we are going to discuss about a new chapter, that is chapter 14, that is electric current and its effect. In this chapter you must know there are the two types of circuit, that is open circuit and closed circuit, and current always flows through a closed circuit. That you might have been tried the game how steady is your hand, suppose suggested in chapter 12 of class 6. If you may not try it now, Pali and Bujo has also set up the game by connecting the electric circuit as shown in figure 14.1. They had lots of fun trying it out with their families. They enjoyed it so much and they decided to suggest it to a cousin of theirs who stayed in a different town. Next, symbols of the electric components. This is a table 14.1 in which you can see what are the electric component and how can we see their symbol, use their symbol in the electric circuit. Some common electric components are represented by symbols in table 14.1. Some electric components and their symbols are as shown. You may come across different symbols for these components in different books. However, in this book we shall be using the symbols shown here. Look at the symbols carefully. In the symbol of electric cell, notice that there is a longer line and a shorter, thicker parallel line. Do you recall the electric cell has a positive terminal and negative terminal? And in the symbol of electric cell, the longer line represents the positive terminal and the shorter line represents the negative terminal. For a switch on position, key must be closed and off position key must be open, and the wires used to connect the various components in a circuit represented by a line. This is a wire and it is represented by line. In table 14.1, a battery and its symbols are shown. And do you know what a battery is? Look at the symbol of a battery. You can make out what a battery could be. For some activities we may need more than one cell, so we connect two or more cells together, and the positive terminal of one cell is connected to negative terminal of next cell. Such a combination of two or more cells is known as a battery. Many devices such as torches, transistors, toys, TV remote controls use batteries. However, in some of these devices, the electric cells are not placed one after another. Sometimes the cells are also placed side by side. Then how are the terminals of the cells are connected? There is a usually thick wire known as a metal strip connecting to the positive terminal of one cell to the negative terminal of next cell. The positive terminal is represented by plus sign and the negative terminal is represented the minus symbols are usually printed there. How can we connect the cells to prepare a battery? Cells can be connected by end to end or by side. This is a end to end connection of cells and this is a side by side connection of the cells. It is necessary for cell holders. The two cells must be needed and there is a rubber band hold the metallic strip tightly. You could also buy the cell holders from the market for making batteries of two or more electric cells. Place the cells in them properly such that the positive terminal of one cell is connected to the negative terminal of the next cell. Connect a piece of wire each of the two metal clips and on the cell holder as shown in figure 14.5. And the symbol used for representing a battery shown in the table 14.1. And let us discuss an activity that is shown for switch off or switch on position, that is a circuit diagram which is showing the switch on. When the switch is on, You must see the key is closed and bulb is glowing, and when switch is off, the circuit is open, the bulb is not glowing in this situation. These are the all the symbols that we represent in this portion, and revise these symbols with the circuit diagram. Okay, thank you students.